Hi, everybody. Welcome to the public relations training video. This can be directed towards everyone who is interested in the PR team or helping getting the name of Rainbow out there. This is presented by the members of the California Rainbow's PR team. First off, let's introduce the presenters of the PR team. Hi, everyone. My name is Mariah, and I'm from Woodland Assembly number 2.
Hi everybody, I'm Brianna and I'm from Oak Summit Assembly number 128.
Hi everybody, I'm Ella and I'm from Fidelity Assembly number 242.
Alrighty, we want to give a brief overview of what we'll be covering today. We will be covering what is public relations, California Rainbow branding, Canva, followed by elevator speeches, PR website resources, action items for your assembly, contact info, and lastly, questions. So, what is public relations? Public relations is the professional maintenance of a favorable public image by a company or organization. Basically, it's the way we try to present Rainbow to the world. This includes our marketing, which is the act of promoting our organization, and publicity, which is a formal communications about our organization's activities and news. So what does the PR team do? The PR team focuses on public relations in order to create and maintain a positive reputation for California Rainbow. This includes the use of branding, social media, marketing, and more. Our team consists of volunteers and active Rainbow Girls. These are just a few of our areas of expertise. Social media, running our accounts on various social media platforms, scheduling posts, and creating content and graphics. Marketing, writing articles and press releases. Assembly PR, providing PR resource kits to assemblies, creating and leading trainings, and providing other resources. Design, designing merchandise, working with vendors, creating graphics and branding. And other media, creating editing photos, organizing SmugMug, and creating content for our YouTube channel. Next up is branding. So what is branding? Branding is the use of a specific design or logo associated with a specific product or organization. Do you know the name of these brands below? Okay. But why is branding so important? Here are just a few answers. It makes an impression. Our first impression of a business or product is often tied to its logo. It also makes us recognizable. A consistent brand hopes that all individuals immediately recognize who we are and connects them to all the feelings associated with it. And mostly, it conveys what Rainbow is. Our brand becomes synonymous with the feelings and memories tied to them. We want everyone to immediately connect our logo to California Rainbow. Branding is more than just a company logo. It's a slogan, the color scheme, and the feeling they want you to have when you think of their brand. So when you hear the phrase, Milk's favorite cookie, you know it's talking about Oreos without actually having to hear the brand name. What coffee shop do you see here? Starbucks has created a specific image and atmosphere that is easily recognizable whether visiting your hometown location or across the globe. Companies don't want you to have to remember which brands you like. They want to be immediately recognized without consumers having to think about it. California Rainbow wants to be connected with the 3 words, leadership, service, and sisterhood. We want Rainbow to be just as easily identifiable to those on the market for a leadership program. So what does this look like? Think back to our leadership training at Disneyland. A few years ago, all of California Rainbow visited Disneyland together and participated in a leadership training. While at the park, the whole state wore the same exact red shirts with the California Rainbow logo. We were all branded. We had the same logo, the same shirts, and we're all in the same color. This made us recognizable and cohesive. We stood out and we got asked questions. We want our brand to be just as cohesive year-round. So what are some ways we can do this? First, use our logo. This logo comes in a few different color options such as all black or all white, but this is the only California Rainbow logo style we want you to use. Put it on every invitation, social media post, flyer, anything directed towards Rainbow. You can download the logo on our website and save it to your computer, or even upload it to Canva for easy access to add to all of your communications. Next, you can include California Rainbow branding by using our keywords, leadership, service, and sisterhood. You can use these as hashtags, add them to promotional materials, and wherever you feel appropriate. We also need you to be consistent. We need all assemblies to constantly use the same logos, themes, branding in order for the whole state to benefit. But most of all, we don't want you to forget to have fun when creating your marketing materials. If you ever have a question or need help, ask the PR team. We are here to support you and would love to answer your questions. Let's hand the mic off to Bree now.
So, we've talked a lot about CAIORG branding, but how can your assembly incorporate this? One way is by using Canva, a free design tool to level up your assembly flyers, brochures, and more. We have encouraged you to use this to help make the marketing materials for your assembly more professional. What can you do with Canva? Canva offers outlines and templates for all kinds of materials. You can create Instagram and Facebook posts, or even event flyers and invitations, including postcards. They have lots of free graphic and fonts, and by uploading the CAIORG logo, you can be sure you have access to add it to all your marketing materials. Canva even offers printing services and custom prints. Canva offers many templates to help your work look professional and fun. Browse templates, browse by category, or search by keyword relating to theme. So if you're having a beach party coming up and need a flyer to share with Masonic family and friends, search beach flyer. Next up, make it your own. Once you choose a template you like, click on it and choose Custom this template. You can add your own images or choose from the library of images on Canva. Once you have made all the changes, you're ready to share it. Look to the top right corner of the window to download your work or share with others, or also send directly to social media. Canva is simple and fun. It is a simple tool that lets you use your creativity to make sharing your events with others even more enjoyable. So, take some time and play around with the fun features to get to know Canva. If you need any more assistance, there are tons of easy to follow tutorials that go more in depth about all the tools offered, including our Canva training. So be sure to look out for our in-depth Canva training hosted by the PR team on July 28th. Next up, let's discuss elevator speeches. So, what is an elevator speech and when would I use it? An elevator speech is a short description of our organization, including usually around 30 seconds long. It's useful in formal settings where someone may be asking you what rainbow is, and you're unsure where to start. It's also a great skill to learn for your professional career. Whether pitching yourself, a product, or an idea, knowing how to put together an elevator speech is a valuable skill well beyond rainbow. Our most valuable marketing tool is you. Well, while we want everyone to be using our branding and creating content that advertise rainbow, we also realize that you, our members, alumni, and sponsors, are our most valuable marketing tool. The more you talk about rainbow, share what you're doing, and invite people to join, the more we all grow. An elevator speech is one way you can always feel prepared to talk about rainbow and get more comfortable with the conversation. So, try to include, what is Rainbow? Rainbow is a nonprofit organization that supports leadership, service, and sisterhood. Who can be involved? Girls ages 8 through 20 from any background, as well as adult sponsors and mentors. What's my rainbow story? It could be any personal example about your rainbow story. What do members gain? Scholarships, leader skills, public speaking practice, event planning, budgeting, etc. Where can they find out more? You can share our socials, website, etc. But most importantly, know your audience and try to tailor your elevator speech to their interest. Maybe it's parent with a daughter applying to college, so you want to focus on our life skills and scholarships. Or maybe they're a young girl who loves dogs, so you want to focus on our service project that have helped animals, including our 2022 Grand Service Project, Positive Teams. Additionally, you'll want to tailor your vocab to the audience. Most people receiving an elevator speech don't know what rainbow is. So, using rainbow-specific slang like ritual or grand assembly will confuse them. Instead, use language anyone can understand. Replace ritual with memory work, scripts, or ceremonies. Instead of grand officers, you can say state leaders. You want to avoid technical terms that people outside the organization might not understand on a first introduction. Now I'll be handing it off to Ella.
Did you know that the PR team has a ton of free resources on the California Rainbow website that your assembly can use? Go to gocairainbow.org and click Public Relations under the Resources tab. These are just a few of the many items we have available for you. Pre-made flyers, bookmarks, even a promotional video is all at your fingertips, and we want you to use them if you need. Our merch can be worn at events. The logos can be downloaded for easy access. The business cards can be customized to have your assembly information on them. We suggest printing out a few of each of these items you think you'll use the most, so you always have them on hand for any event. Additionally, the PR team maintains both our public and internal social media accounts. We would love to have you follow these accounts, and feel free to share our posts to your own assembly socials. Our content is also your content, and we want to spread our message as far as possible. Be sure to check out our new California Rainbow podcast wherever you listen. In addition to the resources we want to provide you, there are lots of ways you can help us provide even more content and materials. Did you go to a state event and take pictures? Share your event content with the PR team through SmugMug and see your pictures on our state page. Got an idea for a fun social media segment? Or maybe you found a particularly successful way to share Rainbow? Let us know by sharing your ideas. You can email us at carainbowgirls@gmail.com. Be sure to follow our accounts to keep up to date on what's happening in Rainbow. Finally, apply to be on the team. The PR team wants you to use your creativity to help Rainbow thrive. Keep an eye out for our application in the spring. So now you know what our brand is, and you have a few easy tools to use that brand, including Canva, elevator speeches, and the PR resources we've created. But how can your assembly take what we've learned so far and put it into action? The easiest way to market your assembly is to do things for your community and with your community. Not only is this a great way to be of service, but every event or project is a way to advertise Rainbow and get our name out in your community. The more the community sees you, the more they will want to be a part of what we do. These are just a few examples of what we mean by doing things for and with your community. They can be big, like a joint membership event with other youth orders, or small, like bringing brochures to your next lodge dinner serving. We challenge you to participate in some event where you can promote Rainbow at least once every term. Being sure to bring a California Rainbow banner and brochure, wear your California Rainbow t-shirts and merch, and brush up on your elevator speeches for when people ask who we are. Speaking of sharing your ideas and asking for help, please feel free to contact us. You can reach us at the email above, or you can always reach out to a member of the PR team at events. We want to be a liaison to help your communication thrive. We would like to thank all of you for watching our training. We hope to offer more trainings in the future on different topics, and we want to increase our lines of communication with all of you. If you have any questions or feedback, we would appreciate you dropping them at the link above, and we'll answer them on our Instagram and Facebook story soon.